Now, the Reggae Girlz will play their final group game at the FIFA Women's World Cup against Australia on Tuesday. And despite the odds already stacked against them, the Jamaicans are insisting that they're going into the game holding on to the hopes of advancing to the knockout phase. The game will kick off in Grenoble, the same venue Jamaica went down to Brazil in their opening encounter. MADDEN is in France.
Primetime Sports FIFA Women's World Cup report.
The odds are decidedly stacked against the Reggae Girlz. They have conceded 8 goals, sit at the foot of Group C without a point, and are yet to find the back of the net. Despite those odds, however, head coach MENZIES told Monday's pre-game press conference his players are determined to fight to the final whistle. According to MENZIES, while the team has not lost sight of the tremendous achievement of playing on FIFA's big stage, they have other targets.
I mean, that's what we're here for. Yeah, I mean, obviously, you know, it's a mathematical deal that we have to get through, and, you know, some of the other groups, I haven't kept up with it yet, but, you know, I just go into games thinking that we need to get results. You know, especially if we play the way we're capable of playing, we should be able to get some results here. So I'm going in to qualify. I mean, I'm going in to win the game. I mean, that's why we're here.
The team boasts players with the ability to score, but have so far struggled in the attacking third, and that's an area that they are focused on in training this week.
Well, I think, you know, obviously we feel like our front line should be doing better. They have talent, we have talent, and I think we can match up against her, especially the 2 center backs, who I know one of them, Kennedy, I'm familiar with her because I'm from Orlando, so I'm real familiar with how she plays. So we feel like we can match up on that aspect of it. It's just we got to deal with the other side of things, and, you know, hopefully we can balance things out on our end.
And forward Shayna Matthews has Australian teammates on her Washington Spirit team. But the 25-year-old who made the Jamaica side 9 months after having her first child knows what's required to get a positive result.
I would say that everyone's hungry. I think a lot of people probably would have assumed that we'd hang our heads or obviously we are disappointed with the results that we've had and not obviously being able to put any away yet. But the vibe in the locker room is, I think we have a pinpoint focus now. Like Coach Hugh said in practice, we've been really focusing on finishing aspect, crosses and stuff like that. And we really want to put some away. So I think that's where our focus has shifted.
The Jamaica versus Australia game kicks off at 2 o'clock Tuesday afternoon Jamaica time. Reporting from the FIFA Women's World Cup in France, MADDEN for TVJ Sports.